Join me as I dive into the challenge of finding the top 3 boilers you absolutely need to know about for 2024. In this video, we'll explore 3 must-know boilers for 2024 that could revolutionize your home heating experience. Many homeowners struggle with high energy costs and inefficient heating systems, leaving them frustrated and seeking better options. One common issue is that traditional boilers can be bulky and noisy, disrupting the peace in our homes. Furthermore, they often waste energy by overheating or producing excessive hot water. This not only increases our energy bills, but also harms the environment. Many of us are tired of feeling helpless against rising energy costs and want a more sustainable solution. As a result, it's essential to stay informed about the latest boiler innovations that can save us money and reduce our carbon footprint. We've all heard the phrase "out of sight, out of mind." But when it comes to our heating systems, that mentality can lead to some serious problems. Boiler breakdowns can be costly and inconvenient, especially during the colder months. That's why it's crucial to invest in a reliable and efficient boiler that meets our unique needs. We'll take a closer look at each of these 3 boilers, discussing their features, efficiency ratings, and why they stand out in the market today. From cutting-edge technology to impressive energy-saving capabilities, we'll explore what sets these boilers apart from the rest. By examining the benefits and drawbacks of each model, you'll be better equipped to make an informed decision for your home. The first boiler on our list boasts an impressive 94% efficiency rating, making it an attractive option for eco-conscious homeowners. Its sleek design and compact size also make it perfect for smaller homes or apartments. In contrast, the second boiler features advanced noise-reducing technology, ensuring a peaceful and quiet operation. Its higher price point is offset by its exceptional performance and longer lifespan. The third boiler on our list is a game-changer for those looking for a more sustainable option. Its innovative design utilizes recycled materials and boasts an impressive 96% efficiency rating. Whether you're looking to reduce your energy bills or minimize your environmental impact, this boiler is certainly worth considering. The key takeaway is that understanding the unique benefits of each boiler can empower you to make an informed decision for your home. Rather than feeling overwhelmed by the numerous options available, you can focus on finding the perfect boiler that meets your specific needs and budget. By taking the time to research and compare these top boilers, you can rest assured that you're making a wise investment for your home. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current system or install a new one, the right boiler can make all the difference in your comfort and wallet. Understanding the features and benefits of each boiler is crucial in determining which one is best for you. By considering factors such as energy efficiency, noise level, and price point, you can make an informed decision that suits your lifestyle. To wrap up, we've highlighted the importance of choosing the right boiler and the top 3 options to consider for 2024. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our next video on energy-saving tips and leave your thoughts in the comments below.